Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Today, this is going to be a recap of the early stream, and we have David Schwartz tweeting that he is concerned about XRP distribution, but that he can't really say anything else. PWC is PricewaterhouseCoopers is going to start accepting Bitcoin for their services starting on October 1st of next month, and IOTA is on Uphold, but once again, it is not available to U.S. customers. So David Schwartz, he actually tweeted, he says, by the way, I am concerned about XRP distribution. I just have to be more careful about what I say for somewhat obvious reasons. When I can't talk freely and honestly about something, I generally prefer not to say much at all. He's high up in the organization, obviously. He knows more about the escrow and the distribution than we do. Some people think this is good news. I don't really see this as good news. I personally think that XRP, like every other crypto, is extremely concentrated at the top. And XRP and XLM probably even more concentrated than the other cryptos. And the thing is, like, he can't openly say a lot of these things because that might hurt Ripple, the company. So he can't actually say these things. It doesn't really clear up much. It probably raises more questions than it actually answers. But I think this does confirm that somewhat confirm that there is credibility in a lot of people's worries about the XRP escrow and the XRP distribution, how it's being sold, yada, yada, yada. So right now, I don't think this is a good announcement, but I don't really think this is a bad announcement either. I just think things are actually the way that a lot of the people with concerns have voiced. And I think it is affecting the asset's price in terms of going up or down. Therefore, I don't really think the asset's price is really going to move all that much for the rest of the year. Unless Bitcoin makes a serious move up or down. So that is David Schwartz's Twitter. You can make of it what you want, but I don't really make too much of it. It's just kind of what he says. PWC is seeing growing demand for cryptocurrencies, and for their services, they are going to start accepting Bitcoin. They're not accepting VET or anything else. They're just accepting Bitcoin. People are going to wonder if they're going to accept anything else after this. Maybe, but right now we know all the institutional investment is actually in Bitcoin right now, so that's probably why they're more confident in Bitcoin accepting as a form of payment rather than anything else. Plus, Bitcoin has the distinction of not being a security in the United States, and I think that gives it a pretty big advantage over everything else. So Bitcoin is being accepted at PWC starting next month. Hopefully that'll be a boost for Bitcoin, and that will be a boost for the rest of the market. Third thing is IOTA is on Uphold. Remember, Uphold is not available for U.S. customers, so it's not as big of a deal as it used to be. I think this would have been a lot bigger deal if it was available for U.S. customers. But Uphold, I hear, is actually applying for U.S. regulations and U.S. licensing or U.S. compliance. And it seems to be the ETA for that seems to be like October. So we'll see what these coins do. But my guess is that a lot of these coins, even if they get compliance, they'll be restricted for U.S. customers. Just kind of like how Binance Huobi US is different from Huobi Global. So I think like Uphold US and Uphold Global will actually be different. So that is the news wrap for today. Let me know what you think. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.